honestly, it was kind of a pain in the ass to go from this to this, but it is 1,000 times easier. It's so smooth, it's so quick. It's the way to go. So this is how I did it. I started by grinding out the inside of the hand wheel so that it would fit on the slightly larger shaft for the vise screw. Using the good old Sharpie trick. That way I can tell where it's scratching it and I can take some material off of those areas. During fit up, I smashed the wheel apart. So I had to glue that back together with a couple of different glues. And then after that, I tightened the set screw and I made sure to torque it down so it would leave an imprint so I could wallow out a little flat spot so that the set screw could sit in there better. On the next wheel, I decided to try to drill it out. It was quite hard. It's a high carbon steel. It kind of chewed up this $20 drill bit. Maybe I should have bought the $40 version. But I found a hole saw, was able to shrink the shaft down pretty good, and now it worked a lot better. And then I sawzalled it off to be the right length. And now it's all done, but I'd like to go into some detail about where I left off with my last video about my leg vise. Here's a nice shot of how the whole contraption works. So this is one possible option that you can do that doesn't involve the wedge. You can see there's a cable. I've seen it also with a chain, like a bicycle chain. And one that I also really like uses an A-arm kind of design. And this is by Woodkeeper, so check that out. The whole A-arm slides out and the A-arm pushes up against the frame on the top. And anyways, it makes it so you don't have to have a wedge on the bottom because that wedge is stupid. Zip. Yeah. Oh.
There's a lot more better ways than the wedge.
Yeah, guys, it's not the only way you can build a leg vise. But that's not what we're talking about in this video. We're going to put these wheels on this vise and this vise down here. But still, stop using that stupid wedge. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said worse.